Hi everyone, we are finally back with episode 3 and we'll be designing, we'll be finally designing the email signatures in Figma. And one more thing, note, kindly I'm waiting for my iPad. So we'll be following simple mode words, fill in the details, get a live preview and export it to HTML. In HTML before that we'll be asking the same basic details like name, email, phone number and other details. Parallelly we might ask for certain optional details. If they want, they can toggle it on or toggle it off. And the end goal is if it ships, that's good to go. If it doesn't ship, then there is a problem. Let's figure out that bug. So I'll be setting up three frames particularly, version A, version 1, version 2, version 3, and each frame will have two different options. One can be a generic option, second can be a different themed option. For those components I'll be using more towards will be avatar, logo, text, the basic details that we were collecting, and to make it consistent, if we have similar components, it will help us a lot later on the stage. So as discussed previously, I'll be creating a Figma user journey more towards with the help of some AI tools like Google Stretch or some other tools. And in the Stretch, overall the journey will look like similar to adding basic details like name, email ID, contact details, and some other optional details if user want to toggle in and toggle off. Post that, once the details are added, users can tap on the generate now button, and at the right hand side of the panel users can see the live preview of the same. Here as you can see, UI is there, the basic structure of the website is there. Now on the right hand side there will be some of the templates that will be showing to the user for the email generator. Let's now start creating that part of the user journey, where on click of generate, what kind of templates will be showing to the users. As you can see in the there are some of the templates I have designed, option 1, option 2, option 3. Based on the one of 3, users can select the one or the template whichever they want to download, and there will be 2 CTS down here. As you can see, one can be just copy the HTML code which is supported by Outlook and other platforms. Second option is they can just download it as a PNG. That works I guess everywhere. As you can see in the there are some of the templates I have designed, option 1, option 2, option 3. Based on the one of 3, users can select the one or the template whichever they want to download, and there will be 2 CTS down here. As you can see, one can be just copy the HTML code which is supported by Outlook and other platforms. Second option is they can just download it as a PNG. That works I guess everywhere. Since our website is like our designs are almost done, we are on the verge of ending the design part. I'll be moving in the next episode, particularly in episode 4. I'll be shifting those all the Figma designs to the AI tool, which will code the entire website with the help of some of the prompts and some other details. we might be editing some of the additional things, additional thing in the sense of some styling changes and all those things while coding for it. And yeah, let's see in episode 4. So still, if you are looking for your Figma files, just comment Figma below it. If you are looking for a beta version, just comment beta below the comments. Thank you.